Alright. Second take, guys. The batteries are doing the batteries there. Otherwise, what's up, yo? Igama nguKhalipha Samkelo Mbangwa, well known as Ukeisla. We are shooting our game here of our show, which is Questions Game. Otherwise, I have umchana is introduce umchana.
Dingu Indiphile Mbangwa.
Okay. Udume ngani?
I'm a dancer, the songwriter, ukucula apho nalapho.
Ungalibala ukusa kaloku uthi usenokusa.
Oh, ndiyasile ndiyahleka yonke into.
Hawu madoda.
Uyavuma usile this child. Abantwana bango. Anyway, okay. Our show is sponsored by EPCT Studios, ne? Yeah, man. So we're gonna be doing this thing here. Are you ready for your first question?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. For sure so copy ngoba sike sayifota le nto yaphela ibattery camera, so for sure sike futhi ikope nokopo. Otherwise, first question. Who was the principal of Multi JSS in 2005?
Miss Cwabe.
Okay, they call it Kalen Vela, so it's obvious. Anyway, sure. But then what else on TikTok? When I TikTok before, yeah?
Semning, eh.
Okay. Are you ready for a second question, yeah?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Second question, team. What is the longest length of your video on I uploader to TikTok?
The longest length?
Yes. Ude. Limit nje yevideo ngayifaka. Limit yevideo ngayifaka ku TikTok ithini?
6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Oh, lies, lies, lies. And everywhere is lies.
Bamkopisa wasemva wake.
Phansi ngama-cheater, phansi.
Down with the cheaters.
Phansi ngama-cheater, phansi.
Tanigxotha bemva. Bamkopisa abangani bakhe pha. Otherwise, wrong. It's a whip. The brain is not braining. It is 60 minutes. Uziva njani ka?
Yo.
Uziva njani?
Hi. Masamomnye.
Samomnye ne? Okay. Okay. Moving right along. Must see question 3. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Question 3. Who is ne? The Deputy President of South Africa right now?
Deputy President of South Africa. Okay, Deputy. Malema.
Nah, never.
Ay, it's a whippy. Ay. Ay, let. Umalema mchana. Ufunda phela ndeka lesesikole senu.
Merera lake.
Merera lake. Senitshintshela lenza kanje igama lesikole sethu.
Yeah.
Sasifunda imali JSS thina. But anyway, it's a whippy, guys. The brain is not braining. Go ugly, go bad. Anyway, the Deputy President of South Africa currently, it's Paul Machatile. Now you know.
I know now.
Okay. Moving right along. I see question number 4. No? Question number 4, no? Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Can you spell for me silhouette?
Silhouette. Okay. It's S.
Okay.
Silhouette. Why?
S, buddy?
Why?
Guy, man. This member is out of order. I don't get it. I don't. Okay.
I guess podcasting is not easy, guys.
Hey, go ugly. Go bad. Nah. Maniphenye chance ukugqibela uphinde uyitry. Wrong le. It's a khwephi. Afuna utry futhi.
Is N.
See any question? So le ni wrong le.
Okay, man, Zamile.
Okay.
Silhouette. Okay. It's S.
Okay.
I.
Okay.
L.
Okay.
O.
Yeah.
Hi! It's West now.
What are you saying?
Okay.
Waqala kwaba ugly.
Cancel O.
Cancel O.
Yes.
Okay.
Most is silhouette.
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 Silhouette, yeah.
Silhouette. Okay. It's cancel O. Say it W.
Hi guys.
Okay.
The praise is not paying. Hi.
Let's chance.
Okay.
Sifagu E.
South Africa is a movie. We live in a drama. It's a series. Every day you will be shocked by something new.
When it's not promising. We got one so far. Okay. Mhlawumbe there's still chance. Kodwa ziyi 5 questions. Bese yakanye sizame lokugqibela. Because ufumene 1 vele out of 4.
Okay. It's S. E.
Hayi vele uyeke mshana. Iyeke hayi ufailile. SE u wrong still.
S. I.
Okay.
L. L.
God have mercy upon us.
I.
Yo, asiyeke mshana. Asiyeke utswada. Too short a ribu ya utswada.
Silhouette.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's S.
Okay.
I.
Okay.
L.
Yo, okay.
L. Y.
It's finished.
It's a bomb.
Asiyeke mshana. Still. Azikhala. You tried, man. You tried. Mabese kulugqibela anyway, yabo? I-question. Mhlawumbe ufiyayifumana le kulugqibela. Mhlawumbe zacela ku BCT Studios iba ikunike 20 rand, yabo?
Okay.
Kodwa still niphula imithetho. But ke siza.
Yes.
Okay. Ukugqibela i-question ithi who's the Minister of Education?
Minister of Education. It's Angie Mutser.
Guys, it was AI.
Hey, go ugly guys, go bad. Okay. It's a khwephi.
Imu Angie akazi.
Okwaba yiyo but not now currently kalo. Yabo, so I go bad, yabo.
But I tried ndiyamazi.
You tried, so you got one at least. Uzamia. Otherwise, the correct answer is Siviwe Gwarube.
Oh, no way, bro. I know.
Gwarube.
I'm looking at him, I'm like, dude, no. This guy.
Yeah.
Kan you khwaru?
Joe. No, it's a weird.
Yeah, I'm not sure, guys. Hey, I'm butchering the things there.
Hello everybody, my name is Siviwe Kwakube.
So, yeah, mchanam. So you tried though. No. Was even njani?
Disappointment yodwa.
Bendikuthembile mchana yazi. Aso mchana mi anymore. Anyway, yeah man, I'm mchana I'm disappointed. Ufumane 1 out of 5 at least though 1 abanye abantu bafuna nezinye phofu nami ndabuza imibuzo before I got 0 so uzamile. Otherwise yeah man, ufuna ukuthini ebantwini, ufuna ukufolishwa iphi if uyafollowishwa kanye what are you working on currently?
Into endiweka kuyo ngoku is to open i-gym yam apha endizobe ndiyenza abantu babe ne-fitness, so ndizokhipha i-post soon, so ndifuna wonke umuntu anjoin yabo.
Okay.
Siphana sibe sonke sibe fit. As you can see by ndiyapromisa mos.
Unomkhaba kanje?
He needs some milk. Y'all go help her, y'all.
Dlala mshana dlala. Unzu fit have. Alright mshana. Otherwise bakufollow up abantu kanye social media nto.
Not ngoku. Ndiseno WhatsApp kuphela. So abantu abanomdla bengatexta le number 076 307 9262 076 306 92 62 Indiphile Mbangwa.
Okay, nice. All right, man. Otherwise, you can follow us. Please follow our page. Khona manje sidlula but starting guys, so kuningi okwenzakalayo. Kuyaphila apha phandle. As you can follow us PCT Studios _ PCT Studios ne PCT Studios _ huh?
Wow, man, don't laugh.
PCT _ Studios. Please follow us. Otherwise, now you can follow me. Go KSLA _ music, man. Yeah. Follow our page, like, subscribe, comment, share the video, tell your friends. We are doing something here. Otherwise, question games. We are out. I'm trying to disappointed, but it's fine. Sure.
Are you looking for the best? Best photography, best videography. We've got you covered. BCT Studios. Book us now.
Emoyeni wami wena uyigongo kwamsangena basemathandweni kanje. Are you the one I breathe, the one I live, the one